Hey, welcome back guys. You're watching M&S IT Technology. Welcome to CCNA Routing and Switching Tutorials series. Today we are starting with VLAN topic. So what is VLAN? A virtual LAN is a logical subnetwork that can group together a collection of devices from different physical LANs. Before discussing VLAN, we'll understand some requirements of LANs. Need to split up broadcast domains to make good use of bandwidth. People in the same department may need to be grouped together for access to servers. Security, restrict access by certain users to some areas of the LAN. Provide a way for different areas of the LAN to communicate with each other. VLANs. All hosts in a VLAN have addresses in the same subnet. A VLAN is a subnet. Broadcasts are kept within the VLAN. A VLAN is a broadcast domain. The switch has a separate MAC address table for each VLAN. Traffic for each VLAN is kept separate from other VLANs. Layer 2 switches cannot route between VLANs. VLAN numbers. VLAN 1, default Ethernet LAN. All ports start in this VLAN. VLANs 1002 to 1005 automatically created for token ring and FIDI. Numbers 2 to 1001 can be used for new VLANs. Up to 255 VLANs are supported on 2960 switch. Extended range is also there from 1006 to 4094 but fewer features. VLAN information is stored in the VLAN database. VLAN.dat in the flash memory of the switch. Port-based VLAN. Each switch port intended for an end device is configured to belong to a VLAN. Any device connecting to that port belongs to the port's VLAN. There are other ways of assigning VLANs, but this is now the normal way. Ports that link switches can be configured to carry traffic for all VLANs. Trunking. Types of VLAN. Total 5 types of VLANs are there. Data or user VLAN. Voice VLAN. Management VLAN. Native VLAN. Default VLAN. Data VLAN. Used for carry files, emails, shared application traffic, most user traffic. Separate VLAN for each group of users. Voice VLAN. Use with IP phone. Phone acts as a switch too. Voice traffic is tagged, given priority. Data not tagged, no priority. Management VLAN. Has the switch IP address. Used for telnet, SSH or web access for management purposes. Better not to use VLAN 1 for security reasons. Native VLAN. For backward compatibility with older systems. Relevant to trunk ports. Trunk ports carry traffic from multiple VLANs. VLAN is identified by a tag in the frame. Native VLAN does not have a tag. Default VLAN. VLAN 1 on Cisco switches. Carries CDP and STP, spanning tree protocol, traffic. Initially all ports are in this VLAN. Do not use it for data, voice or management traffic for security reasons. Static VLAN. The normal type. Port configured to be on a VLAN. Connected devices on this VLAN. VLAN can be created using CLI command, given number and name. VLAN can be learned from another switch. If a port is put on a VLAN and the VLAN does not exist, then the VLAN is created. Creating a VLAN. In global config type VLAN 20. Name it whatever you want, as we named as finance. VLAN will be saved in VLAN database rather than running config. If you do not give it a name, then it will be called VLAN 0020. Assign port to VLAN. Assign port to VLAN using below commands. Removing port from VLAN. Removing port from VLAN using below commands. The port goes back to VLAN 1. If you assign a port to a new VLAN, it is automatically removed from its existing VLAN. Delete a VLAN. Deleting VLAN using given commands. VLAN 20 is deleted. Any ports still on VLAN 20 will be inactive, not on any VLAN. They need to be reassigned. Deleting VLAN database. Erasing the startup configuration does not get rid of VLANs because they are saved in a separate file. Delete flash VLAN.dat. Switch goes back to the default with all ports in VLAN 1. You cannot delete VLAN 1. Static VLAN, overview. This is overview of command for creating VLANs. If VLAN 20 did not exist before, then it does now. Dynamic VLAN. Not widely used. Use a VLAN membership policy server, VMPS. Assign a device to a VLAN based on its MAC address. Connect device, server assigns VLAN. Useful if you want to move devices around. Native VLAN. Untagged frames received on a trunk port are forwarded onto the native VLAN. Frame received from the native VLAN should be untagged. Switch will drop tagged frames received from the native VLAN. This can happen if non-Cisco devices are connected. Show commands. All show commands for verification. If you like our channel, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.